Today, I'm going to teach you the ultimate hamstring stretch. Everybody already knows, whether you're sitting down or standing up, the reach for your toe stretch. But what if I told you there was better? The biggest issue about the toe touch stretch is that it engages other areas before hitting the hamstrings, like your lower back. That limits your ability to actually stretch your hamstring. What's great about this stretch is that it's non-impact and it doesn't rely on your back to engage. All you'll need is a wall. So all you're gonna do is go right up to the wall and pick your legs up. Okay, you wanna shimmy as close to the wall as you can. Sure, it may feel a little weird, but what stretch doesn't feel a little weird, right? So what we wanna do is, honestly, at this point, some of you might actually feel a stretch because I do, all right? So all you need to do is take your toes and point them at your face. Okay, you could do one leg at a time, but you want to engage one side. Once that toe is engaged and that foot is flexed, you are now engaging the entire lower side of your entire leg. You may immediately feel it in your calf, and then as you get a little bit better at it, all you want to do is bring your leg away from the wall. So from here, keep the foot engaged and bring the foot away from the wall as much as you're able to. You will immediately start to feel your hamstring engage right at the underside of your leg here, okay? You could use your hands to help you, or you can do it without, but most importantly, don't arch your hips. Keep your hips pushed into the ground. You don't wanna go like this. You don't wanna change any of your form, meaning you don't wanna tilt your hips up. So everything stays down, foot stays engaged, and you lift. Once you're done the one side, you could relax it, engage the other side, keep the hips tilted down, engage the underside of your leg. You want to hold these for around 30 seconds to a minute each side. Try it around 3 times each side. So give it a try, and don't forget to leave me a comment for which muscle I should target next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone. For which target? Target. I said target too soon.